Soft robotics is basically this field of going away from building robots with metals and motors towards building robots with more soft materials or combinations of soft and rigid materials to use them to our advantage of being more compliant, more adaptive to our unstructured world. The 3D printing basically provides the structure and sort of the matrix structure that these biological cells can grow in. And with this, we are mimicking what a real muscle roughly looks like, while also trying to figure out how we give it nutrients, how we keep it protected, give it basically a packaging, a skin. And what's nice about this field of biohybrid robotics is that we can actually combine like non-living materials, artificial materials, with these living materials and figure out a combination of those two.
Remember to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell to stay updated with our latest content. And while you're here, why not check out another one of our exciting videos? Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.